Scientific miracle. Female spider builds the home. The female spider is the one who builds the home, and the male is not involved in any of the building stages. The female spider kills the male after giving birth. The female spider is killed by his children after she gets old. What has been mentioned is consistent with the Holy Quran. Surah chapter 29 Al-Ankabut verse 41. The example of those who take allies other than Allah is like that of the spider who takes a home. And indeed, the weakest of homes is the home of the spider, if they only knew.